Welcome to our Microsoft Word tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to insert the Indian rupee symbol in your documents. Let's dive in. You have a few options to insert the rupee symbol. Option 1. Using the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus 4 on your keyboard. If this shortcut doesn't work, it might be due to your keyboard layout or regional settings. Option 2. Using Unicode. Type 20B9 where you want the rupee symbol. Then press Alt plus X. The 20B9 code will convert into the rupee symbol. Option 3. Using the Insert Symbol menu. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on Symbol in the Symbols group, and then click on More Symbols. In the Symbol dialog box, select the Symbols tab and choose Currency Symbols from the subset drop-down. Scroll to find the Indian rupee symbol, Indian rupee, select it, and click Insert. By following these steps, you can easily insert the Indian rupee symbol in your Microsoft Word documents. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.